I have experience installing control systems of all kinds. I know how to program, but it takes a long time, and I don't want to if I don't have to. AMX MUSE's Automator is the first tool I've seen that lets me program visually, but doesn't seem to have any limitations. It's built on Node-RED, but AMX packaged everything into a single executable, so it was really easy to install and get working on my laptop. They haven't changed how the program works though, so I was able to watch some tutorial videos on YouTube to get up to speed quickly. Now, I have a tool that gives me the power to create more customized, elaborate solutions without writing code.
I've programmed AV systems using netlinks and control systems from other manufacturers, but most of my coding experience is in Java. With MUSE, not only can I write code using Java thanks to Groovy support, but I could use my own IDE to create it. There's a MUSE extension for VS Code that provides a nice visual way to manage loading scripts and control connections to the MUSE hardware. I could finally get all my work done using modern standard developer tools, and that's been my #1 request for a long time.
I spend a lot of time coordinating our developers and our AV programmers to facilitate the delivery of AV control systems. MUSE is the first and only platform that allows me to use all the resources on our team to help with our AV control projects. Now, when our Python developers create drivers, those drivers can be used by both our AV programmers that write code and our field technicians that are using Automator to configure systems without writing code. And, for the first time, our JavaScript developer can create drivers as well. Our driver development team just grew by 50%, and I didn't have to hire anyone. This is what makes AMX MUSE so good for our business, and such an improvement over how we've done things in the past.